walking tour coming into the Republic Center here in the West Village of downtown Chattanooga. 21-story high-rise right here in the Central Business District. And thank goodness it's a sunshiny day today after what all we have been through weather-wise. This is where parking can be had by your guests. Go through the flip gate there. Welcome to the entrance of the building. This is our first floor lobby of the Republic Center. This is where security is. Aviary. This is our elevators for the fun ride up to the 6th floor. Going up. Quick trip up. Hello. Your tour guide. Making you a little dizzy. This is the 6th floor entry. Elevator lobby here on the 6th floor. And welcome to the Concierge Office Suites. This is our 6th floor lobby for our guests. We have a gourmet coffee station and water here in the front office lobby. And a fabulous view of downtown even from this side of the building. And then we have our support team here Monday through Friday from 8:30 to 5. We have a copier, scanner, fax machine. Here to the left is our boardroom that seats 4. You can see all the way to the river from this office. And then around the corner is our conference room. It's seated for 6. You can snuggle 8 around the table if you don't have a lot of training materials. Then Office 107 is here. And currently it's set up for one workstation and seating for 2 guests or someone working across from the desk there. You have a view of Missionary Ridge. Then we have an additional space here, our vlogging office that people can rent by the hour, just like our conference room and boardroom space. We are still serving various and sundry businesses that are providing essential services. We have our own private break room here in the suite with a refrigerator, toaster oven, microwave. We keep coffee prepared all during the day for our clients. And this is Office 121. This is the larger space. You can see it's set for 4 workstations. And we can put a 5th here along the wall if we needed to. And then you've got a gorgeous view of Lookout Mountain and the Westin here from the 6th floor. Then we also have a business lounge where if you want to get away for lunch, you can do that. Got a flat panel screen television and seating for 4 here at our break room table, and smart television so you can listen to your favorite tunes or pop on your YouTube video or whatever you would like to watch on the television. So with that being said, this is the tour of the Concierge Office Suites. Great to meet you. Hope we can have you here on a regular basis.